So for this UNI session today, we have a special guest, and that's Kush Mundhra's mother, Mrs. Sweta Mundhra. So I would like to welcome Sweta ma'am. Kush, can you please bring your mama? So please welcome Sweta ma'am. So welcome ma'am. So today she has chosen the topic of Junior MasterChef. So she will be doing some non-fire cooking with her kids. Champati, MasterChef cap for her. So ma'am, this is a welcome note for you. I would like you to come here and explain the picture.